So, my dear students, welcome all to our today's session once again in the Zoom class. We already completed our roll call as the presence. I always like to enroll this one for connecting some students where your presence and not present here for counting there. I every day. So very first time I gave this id and password will be remain unchanged for you. Sometimes you can automatically, two students in very first time today we have seen they enter by using the user id and password. They can also, I will give the link, you can click the link, but you can write this id and password for all time in your class time. You can automatically, when I will on the Zoom, you can click that one and you can enter this one. That way today we will do a mathematical problem on chapter 13. Chapter 13, a mathematical problem. We will try to solve this one, and which way we can solve our mathematical problem, that is the matter. First one, if I give you a question like that, Mr. Rohim take 500-gram bread and butter together. Bread and butter together. Mr. Rohim take 500-gram bread and butter together. He got 300-gram carbohydrate, 70-gram protein, and remaining part fats from that food. Yes. So what amount of calorie he got from that food, that kinds of food. Yes, so this is a question. If it is on going on through, we have seen that our JC exam, so I told I can tell on that time that this question is very important. Since it is not JC, but in our academic section it is also very important, since I make this one. In this way, many of the two math at least we will practice here and now. Okay, so what is the point of view for learning this one? Mr. Rohim take 500-gram bread and butter together. That means his food item is collectively known as that total 500-gram bread and butter he took, and from there 30-gram carbohydrate he got, 70-gram protein he got, and remaining part is the fat he got from that bread and butter. So what amount of calorie he can consist on, or he can absorb, and he can take up on that case. Okay, so what amount of calorie it is asking for on that specific case, specific part. That times, look at here, how can we try to minimize? I will do here, I will give you another one for here for drawing or doing this one by thyself. Okay, so Mr. Rohim takes 500-gram bread and butter together. He got 300-gram carbohydrate. So now solution: carbohydrate 300-gram, protein, here you can write here carbohydrate 300-gram, protein is 70-gram, fat is 500 minus 300 plus 70 That means what we can got it here, 370, so 130 gram fat he got from that items. So we find out that out of 500 gram, out of food amount of 500 gram, carbohydrate is the 300 gram, protein is the 70 gram, and remaining part, that means 130 gram, is the fat here. We understood for doing this one. And not only this part, we will try to understood about the calorie amount of calorie findings. Which way? We know 1 gram carbohydrate, from 1 gram carbohydrate, we get 4 kilocalorie energy. 4 kilocalorie energy. Okay, so from how many gram carbohydrate? From 300 gram it, we get 300 into 4, 1200 kilocalorie. That means from carbohydrate, the amount of food item, carbohydrate 300 gram, we get total carbohydrate. From 1 gram carbohydrate, we get 4 kilocalorie. Since our last lecture, I told you for remembering this one, it is calculative value. So 300 gram carbohydrate, we get 300 into 4, that means 1200 kilocalorie energy from there. I hope so you understood this one. Okay, so now accordingly, in this way, what can we minimize this one? Later on we will go through this one. Next one, yes. So from, I erase this one. Then after 1200 kilocalorie, remind this one, please remember. Yes, again from 1 gram protein, from 1 gram protein, we get means you can write Mr. Rohim get, there, instead of we, you can write Mr. Rohim get 4 kilocalorie energy. So from 70 gram protein, Mr. Rohim get 70 into 4, that means 280 kilocalorie energy. That means out of 70 gram, he total get 280 kilocalorie energy. Since by applying of that clue, in last class I told you from 1 gram carbohydrate what amount of protein, what amount of kilocalorie come out from the different foodstuffs or nutrition. Okay, protein 4 calorie. Then another one we know, from 1 gram of fat, Mr. Rohim get 9 kilocalorie. So don't missing this one, that oh everything maybe it is 4 calorie, maybe it is 4 calorie. No, not thinking like that. From 1 gram of fat, Mr. Rohim get 9 kilocalorie energy. So total, maybe we calculated 130 gram of fat, Mr. Rohim get 130 into 9, that means yes, then referring to 11, 1170 kilocalorie. Look at here, bread and butter when in there, when in there, Mr. Rohim get maximum amount of fat, kilocalorie from the fat. That means 11,170 kilocalorie energy he got from the fat. Since they got amount of carbohydrate is maximum 300 gram, 1200 calorie, 300 gram, but only 130 gram of fat, Mr. Rohim got 1170 kilocalorie. So our question is, what amount of calorie he got from that kinds of food? Okay, in total, what amount of food calorie he got from there? Total energy, total energy, total energy, like 1200 plus 280 plus 1170. In total, if we total it, ensuring there, ensure 00 7 8 15 5 left hand 1 2 4 6 left hand no 1 1 2 2 6 this kilo calorie. So total amount of calorie he got from the bread and butter. Out of 500 gram of food stuff, total food items, he got total 2650 kilocalorie energy. This type of question if it is asking, I think very easy, but remembering part is 1 gram 4 calorie carbohydrate, from 1 gram protein 4 kilocalorie, and from 1 gram fat 9 kilocalorie. I think you understood this one, and you think, oh, this type of math is look like easy. Okay, now I will give you another math for doing this one. Please do it on that case. I will write another math against this one, and these two math is for you properly done and well to see on that case. Okay. Okay, Mr. Rohim. Instead of Rohim, I will give you Korim. Mr. Korim. Mr. Korim, get 70%. 70% carbohydrate. Carbohydrate. 20%. 20% protein. And 10% fat from his dinner. Okay, of 1.5 kg food items. Food items. What amount of calorie, total calorie he got? What amount of total calorie he got? Yes. Now it is the time of you to calculate thyself and tell me later on. It is your work now. Do it. Okay, Rubayat Korim, roll 5 completed. Okay, you can down your hand and show your copy, please. I want to see from here. Down your hand. Yes.
Sir, it is short form.
Okay, I want to see your copy. Show your copy.
Sir, I did it in short form, not in
Short form. Okay, you can do it in long form. It is a math.
Okay,
Okay. Okay, I will catch your answer. I will catch your answer after a few times. Okay. So who completed? Shahrul? Yes, Shahrul. You can show your copy here.
yes, sir.
Yes, I want to check. Just
So will I show my answer?
yes, of course. Show means yes. Camera set on your copy. Then I can check it out. Camera. Camera
Sir, wait.
on your copy, please. Check up and take up your camera on the copy. So I can see your what you did.
6,750 calories.
6,750 kilocalorie.
50 kilocalorie.
Okay, this is the Shahrul told. Shahrul, Rubayat, what you want? Rubayat.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Then any other can tell your answer?
Sir, I can.
Yes, tell.
6,750. Sir, Mashrul Alam roll 2, 6,750 kilocalories. Yes, sir, 6,750.
Okay. Very good. Okay, very good to match that everyone do it in this way. Now I will do for you and we will match that it is okay or not. I can repeat once again. Carbohydrate 70% of 1500 gram. What the gram? Since the total food item he got in the dinner 1.5 kg, we convert it 1.5 kg into gram, 1500 gram, and carbohydrate is 70% of 1500 gram. So the total amount is converting 1050 gram, and we know that 1 gram carbohydrate equal to 4 kilocalorie energy. So 1050 gram carbohydrate is into 1050 into 4, 4200 kilocalorie energy he got from carbohydrate. I hope so you understood this one. Okay, so later on in case of the protein, now we will go through the protein. What amount is protein? 20%. That means 20%, 20% of, yes, 1500 gram. That means 20, you can do in this way total format, then
Yes, sir.
300 gram. Okay, from 1 gram protein, as protein, we get 4 kilocalorie energy.
Okay.
So 300 gram.
1200.
Very good. 300 into 4, that means 1200 kilocalorie energy we get from that parts. In case of the fat, we will get the 10% of 1500 gram. So 10 by 100 into 1500, that means
150 gram.
yes, 150 gram. Very good. Yes. So my dear students, you are very good to replying this part. So 1 gram fat, we get 9 kilocalorie.
1,350.
So
1,350.
yes, 150 into 5.
1,350.
So total
1,350.
1350 gram. Sorry, kilocalorie. 50 kilocalorie. So total energy, we then we similar way what we did in the previous time, and that is that the way we can conclude the values here for understanding about the total calorie. Now we will find out the total calorie in which way. Part of that case, the total. Now we know also, since we calculate the total value in case of the carbohydrate, protein and fat, here total calorie, total energy actually what we got from the carbohydrate, what amount? Calorie, kilocalorie?
4,200.
4,200. Yes, 4,200 plus protein
1,200.
1,200. Yes.
1,200.
Yes. Then 1,350, suppose, maybe. This kilocalorie, and in total we got 6,700.
1,700.
Very good, very good. So this is the total energy Mr. Karim get from this way. So if this type of math come in this way, I think all of you can do the similar process, similar way followed, and can calculate this one in that specific parts and specific points. And which way it can asking, we will just remember the what amount of kilocalorie we get from the carbohydrate from 1 gram, from protein from 1 gram, and also we get from 1 gram fat what amount of calorie. So this is the math, this type of math we can easily do on that case. Now we will go through some short question. I think this type of math, if it is asking in the exam, you can do it. Hope so. Chart. I told you this chart is very important for you for knowing this one. Important MCQ chart, we can say age, year, average weight kg, average energy kilocalorie. Infant 0 to 5 month, 5 month to 1 year. This year average weight are expected 6 kg. 5 month child 6 kg average weight is expected, and their kilocalorie energy is needed 115 kilocalorie energy. 0.5 to 1, 9 kg average weight is expected, and average energy in kilocalorie is 100. That means we can see how can we memorize this one. 0 to 0.5, 6, 1, 1, 15, it is very tough to remember. 0.5, 1, 9, 100, it is very tough to remember. Easy way is we will remember column wise. 0 to 0.5, 0.5 to 1. Remember first two complete. Sequence the chart. Average weight 6, 9, 69. Okay, 6, 9. Then 115, 100. Column wise, not row wise. You will learn, so it will be easily memorizable. Okay, my dear students, I hope so you understood. 0 to 0.5, 0.5 to 1, 6, 9. Since we know the sequence, 115, 100. So this is the average energy, weight expected and kilocalorie required for. We understood this one. Now, so in case of the children, 1 to 3 year, 4 to 6 year, 7 to 10 years. 1 to 3 year, 4 to 6 year, and 7 to 10 years. If it is average weight in the kg, 13, 20, 28. Column wise, 1300, 1500, 1800. If you go through in this 1 to 3 years, 13, 1300, 4 to 6 years, 20, 1500, it will be very tough to remember, because if you know the sequence, then you can know the sequence automatically. You can know the sequence automatically. 1 to 3 years, 4 to 6 years, 7 to 10 years, 13, 20, 20, 1800. It is very easy way of learning in this way. So I hope so you understood this one also, my dear students. I think you got this point.
0.5, 1,
Then
1 to 3, 1 to 3, 4 to 6, 7 to 10.
very good, very good. Yes, you did it. Sumaira will tell. No, look at me. Look at me. Okay, look at me. Not there in the copy. Okay, you tell what is the average weight all sequence from the infant to children.
6, 9,
Hmm.
then 13,
Hmm.
15,
You forgot.
20, 28.
Okay, okay. More practice is needed on that case. Very good. Okay, thank you. Dear students, hope so you learned today, and we already complete our session, and we learned many things with interesting points, some mathematical problems, some chart, and we can enrich our knowledge. And what sometimes some video will be published, you must do this one, because this is also the video class is also connecting with the Zoom class. Hope so you understood this one. Anyone can have any asking. Yes, tell. Okay, so that's all about today. We can complete a session with good findings. After publishing the video, you can write the comments with roll below them. Yes, I tell you, tell me.
So why the calorie energy demand of infant is more than the of 0 to 0.5 is more than the age 1 year?
Oh, yes, the building, yes, by body building is very starting points. They are coming out from the mother's womb. On that time, they need to have on that amount of calorie. Then after, when they get some setup of their body structure, then some few in less on that time. Okay, for getting up a shape. I hope so you understand this one. So my dear students, that's all about today. Hope so you will we passed already a good time in a Zoom class. Later on we can meet again another class. Till then everyone, stay safe, stay sound. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam.
Assalamualaikum, sir.